Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will create this 2D exercise 10 in AutoCAD. Step by step, this tutorial is specially made for engineering students, AutoCAD users, for beginners, for experts who want to improve their AutoCAD skill. So don't worry, if you are new in AutoCAD, I will explain everything very simple way. You can also download the PDF of this exercise from the link in description box. So let's get start. Step 1. Setting up the workspace. Open your AutoCAD, set your unit, make sure your unit is in millimeter. So you can activate UN, press enter. Now you have a dialog box and you can choose from here as a decimal and precision scale as a millimeter. Now press OK. Before start this drawing, you can just set up your screen just like that. Activate endpoint, midpoint, center, coordinate, intersection and perpendicular tangent command. Now step 2. Before start this drawing, first you analyze this drawing. If you see very carefully, we are going to use in this drawing circle command, line command, and at end of this drawing we are going to use dimension command. Create circle using C enter. First we are going to create this larger circle. It will be 40, then 25, then 10. So click on first point, press 40 as a radius, press enter. Now again second circle, click on center point, press 25, enter. Again circle command, C enter, click on center point, press as a 10, radius, press enter. Now we create 3 circles. After that we are going to create these circles, these 2 circles. Radius will be 7.5. You are going to create this circle as a 2-point circle. You can activate this 2-point circle. Go on draw toolbar, check 2-point circle, first point and then second point. You can also activate using C for circle, 2P for 2-point circle, first point then second point. Delete extra part. So you can activate TR, press enter, click on extra circles, click this one and this one, also this one. Now you see this part almost complete. Now we are going to create these circles, radius 32. So again C for circle, on same center point, radius will be 32. Move this circle upside 82. So M for move, L for last object, press enter, click on first point, then upside 82, press enter. Now we are going to create these circles. Here if you see there is a 2 circles, first outer and then second will be inner. Radius will be 22 and 12. So C for circle, click on center point, 22 radius, enter. Again C for circle, click on center point, radius 12, press enter. Then next, if you see in this picture, again there is one more circle here and also this one. So radius will be 9 and 22. So how can you create? Just C for circle, on same center point, press 9, enter. M for move, L for last object, enter. Upside it will be 28, press enter. Okay. Z for zoom, just zoom this one for clear visualization. C for circle, again click on center point and put a value 22. Now L for line, click on coordinate point, first point to second point. Again first point to second point. Now using trim command for trim extra part, TR, enter, click on first point. Yeah, otherwise you can use T for first and second, press enter, otherwise just like. Okay. Now again you are going to use L for line, from here 14, now here just like. And here you see This one is a circle of 3 radius. So C for circle and radius will be 3. M for move, first coordinate point to end point. Now trim your extra circles and lines. TR double enter, first this one and this one. Now very clear, you are going to create very properly. So now select this all, MI for mirror, click on center point to center point and click on no because of you are not going to delete source object. So no, click no. Now again trim command, trim this one. If you see very clearly, also you are create this part. Now step 3, adding curves and fillets. So C for circle, otherwise go to draw tab, click on circle. Now here you see tangent radius. Activate first point, second point and put a value as a 30. TR double enter. Now you are going to trim this. Otherwise you can use fillet command. F for fillet, R for radius, put a value as a 30. First circle, then second circle. But if you see, when you are going to use a fillet command, so trim extra part. So what you can do, F for fillet, T for trim. Now use here no trim. Now R for radius, 30, enter. First this one and second this one. Okay. TR double enter, trim this one and this one. Now finally need to attach from here to here this line. So L for line. Whenever you go here, you see if there is no tangent point. Hold Control key from your keyboard, then right click of your mouse, click on tangent, first tangent point. Again same process, Control hold. Now right click, select tangent from here. Okay. TR double enter, trim these extra circles. Now select this one, MI for mirror, click on center point to center point. Again trim these parts. Now you are going to finish this sketch. After you add the measurement and line thickness, you can see your drawing show just like that. And that's all. You have successfully complete exercise 10 in AutoCAD step by step. Practice this drawing by downloading the PDF file from the description below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit like button, subscribe to the channel and consider to join the channel to support us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.